Ginger is an indispensable spice in meals. It helps warm the body, as well as to remove the fishy smell of fish, beef, etc. However, ginger has a complex structure and is very difficult to clean directly like this. Clean, and sometimes we need to peel ginger. First of all, let's see what method you usually use to peel ginger at home or can directly use a knife. But scraping like this not only makes it special. It is very slow, and the knife is extremely sharp. If you accidentally injure your hand, this is very dangerous. Yes, peeling ginger is also okay, but you can see when peeling ginger like this, in addition to the ginger skin, there is actually a lot of ginger inside that we peel off because it is not easy to control the thickness when peeling ginger, so a lot of ginger is wasted. This method is not recommended, so I should tell you now how to remove ginger skin skillfully. The peeling process is very easy. Of course, before peeling, we also need to wash off the dirt on the surface. When buying ginger, you must buy the ones with dirt on the surface. This indicates that the ginger is fresh enough and the ginger with dirt will last longer and will be less dry and spoiled. The tool we have is very simple, just use a spoon to do it. Use the spoon handle to gently scrape the ginger skin. The ginger skin can be easily removed and our spoon handle is very blunt during the process of peeling the ginger skin. No need to worry about hurting yourself. No matter how you scrape, it is safe to use and very convenient and fast. In this way, we can also teach children how to hold and practice their practical ability to practice the habit of helping their parents with housework. It is also very easy to use. Don't worry, it is also very fast. It will only scrape off this layer of ginger skin without causing waste. I don't know what method you usually use to peel ginger. It seems that it can be easily removed in the gaps. You can see that the peeled ginger still retains its original shape, not only has a beautiful color, but also is very smooth. This shows that it is very easy to peel ginger with a spoon handle. If you have the opportunity, you can also try the tools at hand. Method number 2. In addition to using a stainless steel spoon to help remove the ginger skin, the steel wire balls that we use in the kitchen to scrub pots and wash dishes can also be used. Scrape the ginger skin clean. You just need to tear a small steel wire, then rub it a few times on the surface of the ginger to peel off the ginger skin. And the steel ball is relatively hard and has good friction, rubbing it back and forth on the surface of the ginger a few times will peel off the ginger skin. However, this method cannot peel ginger in narrow gaps. I do not recommend you to do it this way. Thank you for these 2 simple ways to peel ginger. And the tools used are also available in every kitchen. The most important thing is that these 2 methods do not hurt your hands and are not wasteful. You can also try peeling ginger next time. Method 3. We can prepare this kind of plastic bottle cap to peel ginger. When we often drink water, we will directly throw away the bottle cap. In fact, this is a pity. Don't throw them away, they are really useful. You can use them to peel ginger, potatoes, carrots, etc. The strange-shaped ginger peeler can be easily solved by using a small bottle cap when you don't know how to use it. What's more important is that it can also be used. The ginger is very thin, which is very suitable for marinating fish or cooking. After peeling ginger with the above 2 methods, I found that the speed of this method is faster and better. There is no excess pulp in the peeled ginger. You can save a lot of money by peeling ginger directly with a plastic bottle cap, and the peeled ginger is especially smooth and clean. If you have any better methods, you can share them in the comments below. The most important thing is that it will not cause waste, and you can scrape the corners very cleanly and remove the ginger peel, which looks especially beautiful, very clean and refreshing. Ginger is indispensable in our daily life. Its main function as a cooking spice is to remove fishy smell and enhance flavor, but it also has certain medicinal value, such as the ginger soup we often drink because ginger also contains a lot of nutrients such as gingerol, fiber, carbohydrates, and protein, so ginger is always available at home. Many of you think that it is not necessary to remove the ginger skin. Ginger skin has certain benefits. Indeed, ginger contains a volatile oil called ginger oil and some other phenolic substances that are always considered to be hot. Having a cold, brewing some ginger tea and drinking it can dispel the cold and relieve cold symptoms. Women can also warm their bodies by drinking ginger tea during special periods. What many of you do not know is that ginger is cool. The meat is hot, that is, when the ginger is not peeled, the coolness of the ginger skin can neutralize the heat of the ginger meat. In this way, the medicinal properties of ginger can be maintained in balance. But if after peeling the ginger will be hot when eaten. As for whether or not to peel the ginger, we should. Depending on the specific case. You can choose to remove the ginger skin and boil water to drink. The effect is very good, but if you often cook to avoid heat, you can choose to add the skin to the dish. When you want to treat common diseases such as heat, body edema, constipation, and bad breath, we can scrape off the ginger skin and eat it separately to promote the effect. Today's video content ends here. Do you have any good tips to share in the comments section? If you see the content, please click like and subscribe to the channel to support me. Thank you, see you in the next videos.